What did we call? Okodimi Siko. Yeah. So my penny, I'm on a honest. Alright, so folks, it's a Thursday morning, and I'm super glad once again to be back on your radio. It's exactly 41 minutes just after 10. Tune in to 93.3 FM, and certainly this is the best beat morning. Yamobi Akwaba, Mobi Ache, the Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Today happens to be the 10th day of the month of November, and of course a day just after my birthday, and I'm super glad. Yeah, super glad. So yesterday was actually my best birthday ever. Yeah, yesterday was my best birthday. I said it yesterday on Nessun Show, and I want to repeat it this morning. Yesterday was my best birthday, and I want to say a big thank you to you all for your love. Charlie, the love was overwhelmed. Trust me. So I was telling someone yesterday, no, I think this morning on phone. So we actually having a conversation on phone, and I was telling her, you know what? Yesterday was my best birthday, and she was like, "Why?" Okay, because see, I knew people, would wish me yesterday. I mean, for a fact, but the love shown yesterday was massive. I never, in fact, I expected that kind of love. But what should I say? Then at someone level, what shall I say? Oh my days, the gift and all, I appreciate. So yesterday, your nanny Gumisua from UK. And big shouts to a fiampo for my sweetheart. Big shouts to everyone. Because me body here, be back said. Me chamabo. To me body. A dozen. Say because me nyabos is here. I bet my mobile 300 is here. Remember Bobby home. And also, maybe I don't know more video. I'm from Chabby. Wow, friend yesterday to wish me. Everyone that sent a text message, everyone that posted me. I mean, the love was super great. Trust me. Super great. And I'm super excited. I can't keep calm about this. And yesterday, me and Kasaman posted me home. And I did this for a reason. Man posted me when I did that for a reason. And hey, super love. So once again, thank you all. I can't mention them. Those of you on Facebook, those that showed love on Twitter, those of you that showed love on WhatsApp, those of you that sent me a normal SMS, those of you that did it Momo for the crowd here, Charlie. Alright, so once again, good morning. My name is Jenny Champon Boatin Cosmos. Call me Jabruce Money. Call me Kobina Kosti. I'm Branty for the perfect gentleman. Let me say a quick shout going out to my super duper production team. DJ Shabo, Kobe K, Nanato Pahin the first, and Mr. Billy on the technical aspect of everything. Abushiane, our the counselor's color, will come in away with my man, Counselor Adwuma. And then, topic, may issue disclaimer. In fact, it is from the producers and counselor myself. I know they monk. Because me say, you know, a lot of ladies will be very upset with what we will be discussing today on Counselor's Column, to which I want to exempt myself, and I want to issue a disclaimer, and I want to state it clear that I wasn't part of the production this morning. In fact, yesterday I wasn't part. And what we will be discussing on Counselor's Column this morning is the type of woman you should not marry. And the underlying word here is you should not. The type of woman you should not marry. With Counselor Adwuma, and whilst you join us, be prepared. You can also send us a message ahead of time on 0594-841044. 0594-841044. Send me a first message. Or also WhatsApp as well. You can also jump on our Facebook feed on Ahenkan 93.3 FM, and also on my Facebook page at Kobina Kosti. Send your messages, and I'll be more than glad to read them. Right, so I'll bring you a daily dose of motivations as usual. But real quick, let me say a very big shout out to my usual people. Big shouts going out to Brad David. Big shouts to Apasco, to Raouf, MP3, to Staga, Obama, Ricardo Tanko, Oba Tampa Jonathan, Medicia, and Koma, Tilapia, Kwakubonash, and Koma Piero, Brakwami Okasie, Obofo Michael, and Koma Baluso Boy, one be on a Mimboni. As an family, but you go straight now. Mr. K and L Fashion, Mr. Oben Fashion, Mr. Chumesi. After young Quasani, and Sani for you any Bacope, which yao. Berryman Quine, on our starting birthday in Mamma in 3 days. And I salute the Gambia when I'm watching my son. Alright, you know, you call SDA Johnson. Ghost Time is the best fashion. The Mahana, Bra Michael, we are carpenter SDA Junction, exclusive for exclusive beauty salon. Also, Kevu Muha SDA Junction. Kojo, we are mechanic SDA. Good morning. Patty's Golden Scissors. Good morning. And our for young comma Letitia, Papa Bianwofe. Madame Letitia, oh yeah. I said that beauty salon. Parties go this season in Chenwa. Good morning. Genesis Fashion, good morning. I'll find Jack CS one comma. A company Johnson for Nina. Jaji, oh Yayi, good morning. Charities Fashion, good morning. I'll find comma. Frida's Clothing, good morning. Wakuto Moriasi and comma. Quality fashion, old education, quality fashion. After you called runabout, the door fashion. Good morning. I hope so much you'll be away. Okay, you got test up, Priscilla. Walk on test up. And I am called Ghana, commercial bank, maybe on government hospital. Government hospital. Madam Pat, yeah. And Madam Maggie. Okay. So, Madam Pat and Madam Maggie, more government hospital. Good morning. After you come Ghana Commercial Bank and come on my sweetheart Edna. Yeah, Edna, good morning. I want to say, I am called DVLA, George Obria Boachaye. I am called Health Insurance. My man Dennis. Yeah, good morning. Right, so 93.3 FM. This is a song from episode. Then a few minutes of the song, and then let's come back to our daily dose of motivations. Good morning.
Have a blessed day. Atia don't go be besa, onimiko, okodimi. Siko, yeah. Miss my penis, so my money on the side. Minini quay, minini cordia, Metsimiko.
this is your host Carolina, and I'm tuning in to Promotional.
Stay with me till the morning breeze, baby. I got the bosses of my brain.
You got to recognize the money.
Let me I beg you, please, baby. So tease me, tease me, tease me, tease me, baby. Oh, you better leave me, leave me, leave me, leave me, baby. Right, so music of episode. This is the original version, and of course, this is the reggae version of Atia. Right here on 93.3 FM. Let me say a quick shout going out to my man Kwame Wani, watching me all the way from Dubai on Facebook, bro. Charlie, what's up? And to all the rest of the guys. And there's this friend of mine. Time I may post to Facebook, I know about you. I say break the 8. Hi, I suppose. Me posted daughter cry no about try say break the 8. I don't know if on also way of doing campaign for MPP. I don't know. But bro, not under my post. I beg you. I've been telling this guy the I said not under my. What is post the 8? What is that? I don't like it. See, one thing people don't know about me is I'm not a type of person, you know, you come with me like you confront me with politics and you will be expecting me to, you know, have a nice conversation with you. Nah, I'm not that guy. Don't come to me with politics. Either MPP or NDC, don't come to me with politics. I just don't like politics. I mean, this is me. I mean, you can't change the fact that I don't like politics. So there's this MPP guru. I think last 2 weeks or something. Yes, reception here. So we had a conversation. I was telling him why I do not like to engage myself in politics, and he was like, "Nah, come now, and see, Papa, you can't change my mind." I won't mention his name, but he's one person. You know, Achemoda MPP, everyone knows. I mean, he's a top guy in the MPP here in Achemoda, and he was trying to convince me. And then I said, "Listen, I don't like the thing. I don't like it." All right, so let's go straight to our daily dose of motivations. Our daily dose of motivations this morning now for AM preparation right here on 93.3 FM. Now, my catcher says so. Today on Councillor's column, Councillor Eden Boahen will be telling us the type of woman you should know this. So this morning he said, the type of woman you should not marry. Listen, the type of woman you should not marry, but rather it should be the type of woman. Me, I don't have a hand in this production. Yeah, the karaoke, everything goes. Right, so 93.3 FM, let's get straight into our daily dose of motivations, and it's brought to us by Can Kennedy, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Roman and Pebia, the Crunch House, and the bro, your daily dose of motivations at the brand of Pebia. Me pacho, Color Studios is a brand wedding photography. For in fact, I front now by the engagements now by the photography works and only videography. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, sir. Now, sort to our birthday photographies, studio photographies, picture frame, passport pictures. Talk about Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, on sort to out. Now, I feel open school crest, yeah, be. Church Lacoste embroidery, face tower embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Paper chair watching modern Liberty Transport, opposite Kingdom Pharmacy, and I'll be here for 0245 276638, 0245 276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, no pay and crown shall say, a book could be a me fear CSM kind by 1 week in here. And the book was written by T. Bennett. And The Light in the Heart. You can also check it out on all the digital platforms. I mean, all the digital library when you be at home. Now I can kind of there. The Light in the Heart. That is the book you need. The Light in the Heart. T. Bennett. And there's this thing that caught my mind in the book. Listen, must you be grateful for what you already have whilst you pursue your goals. Maybe this will be a amount. Now let me take off the music and repeat this. Not here. Or say, be grateful for what you already have whilst you pursue your goals. Now listen, or see, if you aren't grateful for what you already have, what makes you think you would be happy with more? Be grateful for what you already have whilst you pursue your goals. If you aren't grateful for what you already have, what makes you think you'll be happy with more? Now, to my understanding, when I got to that chapter, me kind way now, okay, so this is what this thing means, and I want to share with you. You can say be grateful with what you already have. Now, a person say, "Nia unsa ewomsi unsa kramusesi ano ma woni so." Now, I say be grateful for what you already have whilst you pursue your goals. Yeah, meaning say obia ewo goals should be ana embia a person or achieve our success. Obi anya yanka ne current situation asesa obi anya yanka ne salary nke atum obi anya yanka in fact the business no a drum pempenso obi a eso nani obi anya yanka anka ne relationship no kan drum a free baby a wono a free dating to marriage yeah obi anya yanka one way or the other no the situation asesa. Now what Roy is trying to say is be grateful with your current situation say and whilst you pursue your goal. Ukramu say no ma woni so whilst we bomb pie say a better day will come whilst you are hoping say things will change whilst you are hoping say be okay no be grateful with the current situation be grateful with the a crowd see and be grateful with Adwuma now we say crumbs see now it comes back to say if you aren't grateful for what you already have what makes you think you will be happy with more. Now I said no na me the year pa o person say nia we say crumbs see and say woni nje ho a then na kire say won saka bebra woni baje ho tie the year pa nia we say crumbs say ya no so woni nje ho a then na kire say foforo ba woni baje ho na ma me breaking it down na tie ase ye pa Adwuma na wo ye say ya no you are always complaining about your salary. Debia na me salary die and na me nyanka and na me boss fa bi nka ho and na me madam ntumu and na madam yese. See, a day di be ka you still complain. You know why? Because they are now genuine. You weren't happy. You weren't, you were so perturbed about it. Say, minyanka. So the day you salary increment, you still won't be happy because ube who say, it's still small. What I say? For Obia, or how do I say the Obia unappreciate little? Oman he or she still won't appreciate it because the more you do not appreciate little, your mouth sika dime cry, you still won't appreciate. And this comes back to a lot of people in our society. Or ye be or hope you say I didn't content I didn't 2.10. So or shut the processor air corner. Process where minyanka is speedy up a little, but this same process obi name the person is so much grateful and the person is hoping say just one day things will speed up. What you say or bonfire say enyoma ebe contentem, but since enyoma and contentem no, what the situation is right now, how the process is going, like gradually, or them say one day he or she might get there. What I say, but there's another school of thoughts, another people from a different school of thought. These people no, send a TBA and sonani. You want conform my friend, give them $1,000 million US. They still won't appreciate because the thing say way sika metimidi 90 when sika metimina bobra. It is a minya kesia. Abebo see. So we are bema. That's a won't appreciate the little you have. You'll be firm as a cheap person. And I'm saying this, I'm quoting this from Jay Foley. I watched an interview from Jay Foley. I mean, he was sharing his story. And he says, Ophelisa, he has been used over the years. After watching the interview, I took a lot of lessons from what he said. See, Sana life with you. If you don't appreciate this paper, paper will say Shabo the paper will mommy. Let me feel say no, what Shabo has written on this paper, I mean, and so many. I want more from Kobe K. You know what? May before Kobe will give me that paper, I have to go down low, because I have to let him know say, Charlie, me hear more. You get the point. Me hear more. And you know, say I was me yes sober, may I was me cheap me ho may because me per se Shabo who say one no mammy near a so many I might get it from someone else, and in that way a coin be a me first to be and I should you know as me first coin so. So according to Roy, or see, if you aren't grateful for what you already have, underline word is already. What makes you think you will be happy with more? Nya ukra sisi an say woni enso a, then a kire say woni beje bebre ho. Eye two different things here. Eni anso, eni je. So woni anso the crowd sisi here, woni anso ejuma wo yesisi here. Woni anso salary sisi, woni anso kakra income bi a wonya free obi ho kakra yi, woni anso a. Then the church says nipa no kunu ho de ni sika nyina, in fact, or really ni properties in your name, will you still be happy? No. Because you see everything coming your way to be little. You see whatever coming your way to be, I mean, this thing be you get it. So please, Minyayanka. I mean, more chance to digital platforms. I mean, go and get this book and read. Go and get this book and read. The Light in the Hearts. The Light in the Hearts. I mean, it talks about all angles of life. All angles of life. From business to relationships to personal lives to everything. Wow. I'm a woman, baby. I also would do a brabo effa. Men cheap you because you want more. Men found home a certain level be. Am I nipa enya perception being found say as soon as you say not here. Opa man way say no be. Opa man 3 cities or obeko tokoto. Man 5 cities obe yes amasa. Netia sanyoma when you kosu ni and say you do not appreciate what you already have. People are so great, but and they keep bringing themselves to a certain level. People are great people. And but because they do not appreciate what they have, and always on the run searching for more. Because we cheap you mo. Aman kofo bi mu. Sebi ye don't buy tantande. But omo are great people. Yes, we can say they are great people, but just because they do not appreciate. So this is from Roy T. Bennett. The light in the hearts. Good morning. All right, so let's go for a quick commercial break. Yaba, counselor, once again, me issue disclaimer. I do not have a hand in this production. Not at all. Not at all. The type of woman you should not marry. When counselor joins me, I'll just keep quiet and I'll just listen to what. In fact, Mr. I don't have any hand in this production. You ever see yeah?
Kwekwe, brabeshe, and a party I'm a coin. Abroachin Sony at this 7 room, you would have any bottle in the cramming. Hey, wait, I'm not trying to know what. Now, Ahenkan, I'm not trying to know what. Ghana, Hayani, you know. Now, or I say, so Pamudepona, a Ghana commercial bank, car park on one, and a dish and mupe. I want Safufun, and unti, sop and do go Saudi year with dear wedding. Aberdeen tour, party, so no more fear, and I do a dear beer. The patch of 0249 680 213 and a 0500 231 091. In so then and packaging so FSA. And natural mineral water. Natural. FDA, I just say a year.
Hi, Kodimo, what Shremi at the Papa? Bar City and Sounds Company Limited. In fact, Muwo Kromankasa. Akibuda nimpatemudie so BSC dan wie ana wo besi dan na eno ane so de no wabebomo mo ene ba no original doors a mo ton papa nankasa say ye German doors, Italian doors, Masuye penye ba yenya wooden doors, afi metal doors and afi glass doors na mo sliding door no edemu sronko kra wo bi door handle asaya papa pan wo masuye ye Bansechi and Sons Company Limited mo POP no edemu sronko kra afi TNJ normal ones ni nyina ubenya biato ya hweye Bansechi and Sons Company Limited pe ena motonton tiles awudo nyina say Italian tiles, Twyford tiles, any good wall tiles say your polish ana unpolished yes so eton town cementa yebetimi dia to your tiles nyina wo besa so nya home use mattress enso akwadaso say your queen size ana size bia wo pe no yanoma ne buoso da fem say ya hwim wo be wen e wa kemeda ababu kwantempo no so rice and danchen wan ye wo frey 0244 573729 and 0241 856069 Bansechi and Sons Company Limited. Yes, sumo sompa.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehuna ma toso fefefe sei
classic ointment said you see a nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro no na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
classic ointment
de na ayam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera apaya petroleum jelly cassia alata hunam na ni bia ekro pimples ayam ana propro aguo no enu anu se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu na abehu se yes ointment papa bi o baby
me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
and titru ohene na herbal koforidua frisia bako and sons kumasi edu repash herbal okaishia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799
FDA agi ejwedi nkrato yato
say ye kase Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipaduam ne yeden na ne senti wotadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adron de fine pa manum bi tina medi ho adanse no enya yese meme se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na mekanfo ne aye ewo mi nipaduam no eburo madwen ene menti ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase biagumu wa twanseti yanum wa wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo abaton mo manufo ene nkwada woni mfiedum ye de wonka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
say ye
hey
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready Pediamu Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing Yanano, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Middle, answer Nadia Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a pint 20, and I'm a fire Shamsano.
And no see a Suprana.
A J.A. Pinding and call limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And yet, no quampun our home, me do so to one mono, and your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pines on and answer, what then your man yet to say wine, and your parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Now, a dear bad enough. I will rap to be easy.
Aya Kashano, I'm a dear to a popo be brain and I said, Nubia, Papa Patas, soon so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one name Pila, who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, a J.A. Piney snake reparent, and I'm dear to my sessan.
And no more one near my papa.
Binely quiz open and say, what did you, Madame, well, was saying, I and one swan, I'm the one chance when you're not that.
And your way, dear, mid dear dance at Chalamansan. I ain't found no more.
J.A. Woman Yamano, Ubenya Biato Kumase Takra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane and Kwako, Wabuase, Boga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, Enedi Animushe, Sawa Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya B, Awaka, Swa, Winiba Road, the Wakasana factory no SCA.
Mamma number, no, Namfan Koima, no, so from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medovo, now so Mudini body saying.
J.A. Binding and call limited.
Me drew horses here.
Of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum.
Odamaye, Adru Subiamo,
Na Eden Adrusui,
and one webisano. I Jumaquia, Omopoa, Emanipa, Enyan Sano Numa, Omo de Santre away, Ba, our Kimoda, and ya bre obia, so your ba, so ya bema, so ya quada, so ya penini, Ubetimi Siabi.
Nanny and Jumako Ben at the Santre Ebre,
Aya Willy Duck Technologies Ghana, Enti Omo de Nami no Adia Siwa, Aya December 2nd to December 10th, Aya Friday and Saturday, and Omodia Siwa, Omode Santre away at the Ebre.
Na Danny Den on Baba Tretre Poti.
Sir Obi Pese, will see a plaster board ceiling design, and I say POP, and I say electric fencing installation, and a car and motor tracking system, and I say CCTV camera installation, satellite installation, and a biofed digester. Ni nano, ye bet shirano, sadano,
and one no.
Dabi, ye, where your part 1, tier part 2 no. Ye bet no sunny see after wash, washing powder, floor cleaner, shampoo, shower gel, and why yang, sunny ye see a yang in Mirenso, ye bet no, and organic liquid fertilizer, organic powder fertilizer, organic weedicide, Abusia for some person picking farms in Libya, a 20 Ghana city, farms no, a biwa, Ahenkan FM, and a total filling station, and a Bosome FM. Program way a backwaso, a King of Great Chapel, Akema Sene, Yane Akim State University College, and a Edisha Nimu, Sa Opia Sembisabia, and a Sikao Betia, now a friend Ahuma Weso. 0244 95 99 49 and answer 0244 63 50 07. Ubetimi Ashiayan our Facebook aya Adu TVGH. Amafo way ayan sanuyuma. Yachine way in area no. Yabema certificate ya oneba kwa juma. And a pen drive programs nina eguguso.
God have sailed through.
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba akun, ani wo yi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa, esia chimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hwa, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi.
Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo a 3-day malaria yi bi ansa.
Se o petam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo Atonsu Monako Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA ahwe edwadie nkrato yi mu agi atomo se eye.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
bani Belmasua. I don't put you the Asio, darling, I'll dance you. As I were to born a no bani Belmasu. I don't put you the Asio, and I'll dance you.
When you're me, I don't judge me. What's a coming? Sweet to me, see and see me. When you're me, I don't miss and judge me. What's a coming? Sweet to me, see and see me. You're sending me a sweetie. You're coming on time, you don't go on. Pepe, see what God darling. When I'm in over, you know, you're sending me a sweetie. You're coming on time, you don't go on.
Yo, back on lucky, but one no super. Dede wow, maybe a macuma to what is a heaven for no. A moon from an SCF, our song, and when your data, they be a mono, Chawanisha were cheap, and our brother, so me what I am saying in the other way so, and she shall be so or the main can camp, and independent now, the boat at the folk. I want with him so busy wa, free said that you remember dinner would die, if you are, a draw so that you are at the man, and so Yamatomo, a change in Bura, Abba, Usua, Ujibiasa, Akukwa, Zeriba Yaruba, small boy danger. Cause I repent, my can't dash it, my lady Dimitri, and the Mimu say, Ebu, Gray, me yet me free, and then I'm Mojamu, every beam, married to me nine, married to me nine. Yo, Aqua or Shet or Dump at him, a Grammy no be never for something, Chefon Braille. Now when Sunti, I have my 10, Nancy Abukobi, when they would ya, Mamisa, Yedi, would the Kule Chami yet ya, the wood project, so good.
You know, you're sending me a sweetie. You're coming on time, you don't go on. Pepe, see what God darling. When I'm in over, you know, you're sending me a sweetie. You're coming on time, you don't go on. Bring banana, God darling. When I'm in over, you know, you're sending me a sweetie. You're coming on time, you don't go on. Pepe, see what God darling. When I'm in over, you know, you're sending me a sweetie. You're coming on time, you don't go on. Bring banana, God darling. When I'm in over,
Right, so 24 minutes after 11, Abusia. So welcome back from that quick commercial break. And I'm saying quick. It was quick. Alright, so Nana Kwame low key, way free, Kobe K. Also, a taxi driver, big shouts to you. My old brother, Mini the Don. Also, I'm listening to live with my guy, Mula. Hey, Mini the Don. Bro, Charlie, was good. want to say, I will say Bibi Aboko. All right, then Yamiasi. Nana Yamao. Nana Yamao. I'm still getting birthday messages. So. Still Eba. And people are asking where the party was yesterday. They asked us, so where was the party? Apparently, there wasn't any official party yesterday. And then you remember 8:30 to 9, I think. And Dr. Osman gave me a call and he was like, yo, and I'm seeing me with Jimmy. And you may know, I was for cash, so I went and it was some small sitting for like 30 minutes, and then I came back to the office. And you may know, and I bought 10 if you could die. So it wasn't just like some big party and thing. It was just me and Doctor Amy Nupe at some one cool corner and the brushes on our face. So those of you who are very curious to know where the party was yesterday, I mean, it was just me and Doctor Bansechi and Sons. Bansechi and Sons. The purchase of per World House, I told you, Bansechi and Sons. Upper World House, Papa. Bansechi and Sons. Plastic files. 40 by 40 unpolished. 40 by 40 plastic. If I see World House, Papa. World House and the boy for World House are. Enquire we mudi bia o de tokra na ye bibi slow pibi ni ade there be me pa cho chrome han de say open World House papa na open de ne bo nso elfo de a Bansechi and Sons me pa cho kona so yes a afen so open mattress set double mattress open king size mattress open queen size mattress open T and J normal T and J POP T and J Nina Bansechi and Sons afen open doors foreign doors single doors 1.5 door open anti-rust and afen heavy duty doors and double door near the Nina na odu ni akotrim e wo Bansechi and Sons e pa cho ye tonton water closet so small ones ni bi and big ones papa na she said bibia be koyi come on them out there e no ene Bansechi and Sons you know open sinking so out Bansechi and Sons e pa cho ye ben rice under hope and you obetimi afre 0244 573729 0241 870069 and 0551065928 if you hankwa na nkofo timi the iPhone 13 ko swap na makoje iPhone 6 what is it 7 plus if you hankwa and the TV iPhone 13 ko just 7 plus hey you are doing some who you be I mean it akwaji aka ho nyaminti the TV iPhone 13 the ko na ya ko just 7 plus ewe ebofie you are doing some who you be from iPhone 13 and the brand new boko wejiana why are you reversing your shebre from iPhone 13 to iPhone 7 plus come on Charlie Shabu oh Shabu is over she Right, I'm here. Oh, catch us Uncle from running. Uncle Fee, oh my just can't confuse bra. Oh, iPhone from so brand new iPhone 7 Plus. I'm here back clinic with my show. I'm here for the. It shock you, eh? It shock you. I'm here back clinic with my show. I'm just watching Modern Liberty. Sorry, hey, I just say, Charlie, get your iPhone out of the studio. Why am I confused? I'm just watching Modern Red Cross Junction. Ohana be when me patch infertility type for the syphilis, gonorrhea, diabetes, kidney problem. Nina, I will to us here for 0244-877-840, 0205-045-665. I'm a Jeva clinic and why I receive here. Each start health center at the Mermaid Drop by your friend, the new Westman capsules. The new Westman capsules. Me patch compare with us see I cure early discharge, low sperm count, erectile dysfunction, severe waist pain, burning sensation, gonorrhea and ante. Then you be to us here. The new Westman capsules a boy mema sebio mompa agrodi mu no chese wo form ye me patch up to say ya o call a pharmacy bia benye bia to 0244-966-043 0208-288-099. The new Westman capsules was still a beji umere maje edi. Now, unnatural mineral water. Unnatural mineral water. Me patch up open issue a crogen. Open issue Yarebi and issue concontimba be an issue containing all the food nutrients and no any unnatural mineral water. Why you today can't watch the iPhone 7 song? Me patch up Mount San Kevila. Open be at Chim or the government Ghana Commercial Bank. My brother sign for no and Ube Huano. Patch up 0249-680-213 0500-231-091 and natural mineral water. Yet natural or Chimine Development Association. Patch up your part says here Abraha na bepe forms nibi na busumi bia na we create fancy display. Open church mu bia chimi dia. 05944670029 05944670029. Okay, today I call council and any council and didn't come out and me see and the productions, you know, I don't have any hand in the production. It is Shabo and councillor and the rest of the team. I don't have any hand in it. The type of woman you should not marry. This is what you're looking at today. If you are say what funny headsets. So any the type of woman you should not marry, but the type of woman you should not marry. I don't have any hand in the production though. Councillor Kwaba.
Yeah, come no pay then all the to
me disclaimer. No one will say it is you and the production team. Me, I have no hand in it. Councillor Kwaba be na fe NTC.
Yeah, come na and run so my mean use this platform na mention mau belated happy birthday, you know.
Thank you.
I mean, cause no show.
Thank
especially, you know, the lives you are imparting so much. Makase and Rano, maybe I don't see any show.
Yes.
Really, can you say, yeah, if you are any panning on per se, or Bema clear.
Anka Yadama Kobi to Facebook, yeah.
Facebook, yes, will be able to me. We are dancing about Kupa, maybe birthday in the present, Mamma Dema, or dancing be your na say will be said with Silk Abnama, no Yamea and Dum, means up to Ubisua, and then maybe any acting of one, or didn't call and penny for any Makoyan of 1 year. I within the short while, yeah, yes. And I just want to bless you for that.
Thank you.
This opportunity. I mean, one way we are seeing now, Ahenkan, now, I mean, yeah, inspiring for through this relationship issue. Come now, I'm sure I'm on your case here. Why? On your case here.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Good. Come now, really, I think in the far way soon from my mini can share a chief for a very good morning. Now, meant to me, share a call a year. Come now, Sabi Ari. sɛ meka no but ɛnɛ no mmerɛ no nti menhyɛ da nka no bebree na mekyia sisi ne ɛyɛ Eric ɔmutie na kwamena sabi akɔ elections akonya 9 nipa bɛɛ 500 ɛna ɛkɔto aba no ɔsɛ ɔkɔpɛ youth organizer kwamena sabi akonya 9
nipa 500 onya 9
onya 9 nipa 500 sabi nya 9 na nate sɛ ɛsɛ wɔnam ɛgye isika ɔde ma
nkɔfoɔ bɛyi
next week no mese mede ne wie afewie appearing no me chichimu a we kakra me dia ba next week nso kakra me tade me ba no me ko so abo na tia ko film time a me a me nso makoma to bi sabi nya 9 is your friend star 9 good now yes and then no you be share say na kind no type of woman you shouldn't worry so what worry na wie dia kwabna eno na say na kwa say ye adwuma ni ehwe kwan be fa so e be dandan no ama se bia wade no asipi na sita na before ube ware ne ne die ana oba ana se emaba wa na se bibisa na minyisu emaba wa ense se so ya brantia ube twie pinsa emaba wa no na waya wadwen se opese wo ne netna ebobra. It is never here or there. These are empirical evidences. Na enye bibi se o kan isi no bie like we tuning agin we bi na so so we ti ade bi ake say we de ma me fa pen ne pantro. Please enye sa na tie. These are people we are living with. We are living in the community. Yani omo na te ekoba society and attitude omo sa omo ho kwan ama send nanka society person omo yini efa no omo anya ne sa, and now it is having a beacon on them. Aya ade bi ani omo na te na sasade no uye wadwene se abranti a wutie mi se opese uni obi eware na wokonya saa yenwanu mmayi bia na hye a red flag. Red flag. Why free ube worry no. Ube worry no. Come na me preamble that done then na me dika di nyo be sha here and sana because this topic they mean next week me start to aso. Na come na me pese me busa say come na e compulsory say woni ababa wa bi e twem pna e wo say umma ni sika na. Come on, just 30 seconds. Just even 15 seconds. So when you be trim, pronounce ababa wa. It is your responsibility. What's that? Money sikana.
Councillor, about 11:38. Thank you for Casamente.
Okay. Good. So now, that is that. This is a very serious issue. A bibisa abamani. Like I don't know. Say, yes, it is never written anywhere in our books, in our Bible, in minimum suma yes. Say, the only ababa will be chimpna. A woman, a chinchina, I was said yesterday, it was a woman. It is nowhere near. A mother one is young show book BM, young show beer, young fat, a constitution beyond to say, only a branch be chimpna. I was so man who can say, no one dance on my wire. Quadram what must say?
Matthias, your
mummy, a new way, and I quite a problem. The no chimpana, one man, no one, I ask them. Also, one mammy, I ask them. This is what is causing a lot of problems. And yet, courtship may womb. That is why may before beer may shed dear or baba wame or our dear may worry him. It is not necessarily. If I have and I want to help you, no, you have made a mistake. You wanted, yes, open and I will one man do or you touch me and you wow. I'm not saying don't help somebody, but we have evidences and a whole lot. But we are just a gist. Me preamble na me di kan de puna tumusa na na yes. But now what I want to say, I want to talk about sɛ wonya ababaawa bi na sɛ wobɛware no anaa wowɔ relationship bi mu na sɛ saa ni oniakorɔ no ade a wotumi yɛ boawa ne sɛ asɛm baa ntɔkwa si wɔ penatwe no mu a ne namfofoɔ nyinaa bɛte sɛ ntɔkwa asi ne namfofoɔ nyinaa ɛbɛte sɛ ntɔkwa asi sɛ wotie mi a aberanteɛ krakye hwɛ wo ho yie wɔnyɛ obi a sɛbe yɛde ne kɔ awadeɛ kwabena asɛm si a yɛwɔ ababaawa bi a sɛbe ne nuanom ne maamenom anim asɛm no koraa se ɔno ababaawa no sɛ asɛm si a ɛkasakasa ba a saa asɛm no ɔtumi agyae ma n'abusua ne maame ne nuanom ne namfofoɔ ɛma ɔmo mu mmom atumi kyerɛ asɛm nim ɛsen sɛ ɛyɛ ɔno no a ɔwɔ hɔ bi ɔne ne kun no ntam no anaa ɔne ne boyfriend no ntam no asɛm a ɛsiiɛ no sɛbe ɔmo nim koraa se ɔno ababaawa n'ankasa mu because wɔde kan ɛne ɔmo discuss the genesis of the whole issue ɛkɔpem sɛ sɛbe asɛm no ɛti gya they know the true cause of the story. Please, so you are branching na se wu tie mi a na se wu obisa and na wona ne wo ho a it is a red flag to you. And was so shannon so na wo down ho so e wo sa e maayo no ho. Then e maku we nyam kofoku a because everything that will happen in secrecy bibia eye edemwa de kwabna if you are not very careful sa kwantro we a ye tu no eye benu akwantro ena sabi eye nipa wa de nti keneke enke kanwa bebem udi hu betwi no no so di ne hu betwi na se me de hu twi na se wantumi ankata wa no na se wo so de hu twi na me so antumi ankata ma no na de adagya beto abonten a me busa se fine ene ye boa no ana de ne ye kire kwabada ne de na me ta kase sa school we no yes enye o Kristo ni ene tumi ware yi dabi ye de yem paibo enye bibia na yem paibo eye ni suku sebe emofre ya kantara wo ko school yi ya bom paia mana ko school o ko dru school madam betre ne say akantara ene now the day is over ye betre ne paibo no school mo no abo bakwadan tumi nkan chem say sanse abofra ne bom paia nti na wakase mi sua de na exam se dru a beka kwadan timi wan
bi see that
se mi sua de be sanse me papa bom paia ma me maami abom paia ma me etimi bedru school ha no empaibo ne be kire mi bibia no you have to go and learn what is there and then they be make us in school it's a bit more Christopher pa but omunya ekunupa e bi mo eye a Christopher pa but omunya yere pa e bi se wajai oyere nyoma na si chen e na odi Christosum na kata nani e na won hu de wonye ne ho wawade ni e na de mi bie nyoma so pa yes oyere o friend ho oyere but onim de wo ye no ho e bi se wa manya mesom me nka se nyamesom adinanim but ohu ni se nyamesom ane se wo tumi som nyame bom payeye ayi bibia se so for friend wa ha no ne wo jai ni kunsi wa onim se ne friend se nyamesom it is never like that and nti se na de bia me kan sa brabo we no eye na hu ni school ye ko obi nkonye obi yesua enti na dan yawa da bia yenya daje ne yesua de good enti kwa na se na me kan se woni obi wo ho e maba wani titru ye kasa dodo these are relationships like you need to curb your mouth on certain issues and yin sem ni na and what down for now friend to no obetumi ate please reserve some of the comment it is enough oh yeah manatra abrantian unhunu unhwe no mo se wo tete wo se su no obi wo fi wo bia enim se say na ekoso it is worse it is getting out of hands catch say who tell me if your girlfriend if your fiancé is failing to understand this so I am going to want to miss the same free side no one me pacho it is enough what deja na ye ton is ano. Yes, sir, we are it can't continue like this. To me, man, to us. Mestre, unyang wareno, you who face that situation. Let me come to the next point. Yen yanu may be so honomwa. A son won't sukua wakunti. A son that Nimbia will come now. When Nisa, the any friend said, really, my member, wash it, and mammy. A son in Nimbia won't keep. Adwuma nyame de man so no de obetumi asua de egu bibinti onfa ne kunu enye hwe and sabi sorry onfa boyfriend no enye hwe so wa ware de a so ma ho kwan e na saa de ne koso e no de abi wura wade ni nti wo de tamre de na asema metumi aka ne se due but wonya nware ye no ye me pese me ni omo chene se wo situation bi mu na nyame aye wadom oyire tumi asua de yesen na se sorry o girlfriend tumi asua de yesen e bia wo de se de school no when tumi ankwa anu anim na emom ahode ne wonyansam no wotumi aboa no amotumi akonanim sister tie me de wo mu ni se sa nimdie na wo koye na wo faye no o ko be mani na yekire enti wo ko akosua de e de abeboa no e de abesoma sen baby, you're not touching my MSR. You are going and then coming back to serve. Anything you say, bro, masin. Oh, Baba, so boy, a con, Pabna, a con, any tissue. And I'm about to boy. You con,
yes,
it is a castle, obi, a clear. And I say, a castle, warrior, con, under no circumstance should your voice overcome that of your man. Please and please, Abranche be a wood temia or nimse, sabe, the girlfriend on Nancy in India was fluenty, one makway, she can't one in some. This is a very, very another year. She can't one in some, ababa one in some, into a far branch in Yari, or no sharp branch in it. What is one car? Or Kasaya? It is not right. You are losing your right as a man. You are losing the confidence. To say, I just don't mean your ways. I made a master situation. Please, if you have the opportunity, say when you are brand TV, a tinning a media, don't be a bound some. Nothing would mean the acronym. It is better or the best supported. It is better or the best supported than say or the best trum or the bay maso or the bay no. Miss for so we are Baba will be no senior. I seminar metal, mina women and mitria, mina me say, and so what? She can't get a radia. So what say when it's a brand turning a bob bradia? I am giving you that opportunity to look at things again. Because at the end of the day, it can exist and it will not continue to exist like that. These are the kind of women I am talking about. It is a Yamia Wadum. That's a who identifies me ababa wa meneneti. Yes, these are the kind of things she is doing. Come now. I am very, very hurting. Mister, the next one I want to go ahead and talk about, of which nim say sebi yenuanoma ababa wa umwadi ye kasa obi mwadi a sebi entokwaba ya na kasa mema ye nage sorry ema yenuanoma ne nage pa. This might be my last point. Next week, but I want to touch on this because it is a idea hard training. A idea hard training. A papa wa why not drinks and the name so niku. Sabi my boyfriend and I will mwadi. Sabi say send an American kind of samba. The kind of ultimate china bedroom. It didn't quantum. It's answer. And I mean, come massem. I hold your men for me. Let me just say freedom because me be koswa be me man so dia bem nti ne man mfa nkyem but papa wa wo ade se won fo bia nyahwe be me busua ono ankasa mpo na busua mu no won fo mo nyahwe se wonni obisa atisise ya mesre it is a red flag no matter where the fight is always coming from the bia me takasa asem no say yes ye nipa ye ho true but sir you bring the gas say kwabena me no nya issue na sabi to the extent so to me sia so kwasia ababa of entity please asem we here me pa the third point here me pa o say me man be high e was sadie we hu oba ne fa ne nya hwe obunanim tia she's like no, I just don't know the kind of words me person can treat me flow mami. Na ka metumi kana me kan yi. Yes. Se be ma yire na ho bo na ho modin bia. But ababa one fa abrante yi nyehwe. Kan to na busian fompo. Ya ka se total disrespect. This is what I am talking about. Cha semba ya ka se wonye A wonam B wonye C what yes. This is what I am talking about. A big fat woman and yes, like yes. Then I make a minya west name mano. Yes. And this is what I also want to talk about. Do you know say you were a man to be only above one on the net. This is what the lady is doing. It's as a brand in Nibinchi. A queen be so ababa one of the far ubenya bidiaba. And yet the right manner, but Sebia or the overturn and Mama and Mema Fofro. No, this canaba. No, Mudiatna, Abo Brano. I don't know, Sebia won't teach issues like that.
Oh, I mean, it happens. A lot of people, do that a lot. So.
It is shameful and new self from one branch here. No one who finds a papa one and more jantra bra, nor the bar one not snatch, no muddy.
But Councillor, a man be so on my. I mean, it's their own decision to do that. Be but or ton or sebi or ton or home at the Giscasa, but be
yes, well, so one yawa. You see, every day for the thief man, one day for the master. The rumors in your man so ebia now yes. Find a way, please. And I want to but don't be so much happy, especially now the emphasis said the only media, yeah, the media is prison. That the only moon swear. No, I caught no abba, no, I caught no abba, no, I caught no abba. I had this, I had that, I had this person gave me this. Kachi, it is enough. What tonache? That person is not a marriage material. Say you can say on your marriage material. Come now, don't forget that who is posing. It is because of I want to be a woman and a woman who is posing a wosa. Come now, Senyame wa dum na mo warrior. I want to know come now enko you. Sa wo chile na ye kan wa wade mu no. Sebe enye se cool e stages in life. Uko wana enho de beba. Uko two de beba. Uko three de beba. Enti mi busa se come now so ware ni wie. Na mo dru wana. Na sa wo chile ne ba mi busa. Come now be ma ne kwan se on sa anko. Enko ton ne ho mbra na.
Big question.
What you say? You do number 2. Now what you ba? Ube kachira wo yere say, it's a time I am worry, you know. Now over kachira me to me no kwaba. It is see a massa worry what it said here. Sabi bibia to di and I say, Yamisa wo media. Me ma wo sa kwanya ne say sa ko. Na woni obi and I say koton na sa fa bra. Na ye fa mo bra na. That's so, Bemano. na useso ana useso be man na say you can say be man in what sense? So this is what I am talking about. Enti minim emema bi on ne ma bi tia. This is what is going on. They are very much aware. And my one is only to make like or they supported them no akasa word ni kwa na mempese meteno or they supported them or they supported them or they supported them. Yes. Come on, my last point I'm
okay, before our last point I want to chip in this. When this say we happen na say ebia Ujano ho kwa before Oban better work say we are very ungrateful because you knew this is what I mean she was doing to bring food onto the table. Now later out there I mean she will say we are very ungrateful.
Good. In order to avoid Babna see nyam ware na me ka say me kama ye na ugusu wo mpana twi ma wo siesie mo ware. Me see the me kan say se bibisa e koswa. One, it is better. I think antidote in the day my home. Se nipa na was situation bi musa. It is better we work it now. We work on that situation. And sana ye dia kura wa de nim. Eti kwabra ye be catch ro enne. Se aba abrante bibisa na wo famu a. Let her stop. Work things out. Unsaye mienu, unaye mienu. Everything possible abetumi dia ye. Ama relationship na koso no do. Yeah, na ye ni yi. And son do sa stage no. And yes sir. Senior sa bron sam na nemo ware ye na owo mu ntamu no. Mo sa bron sam no mo ware a onwui owo. Obesa pagya no ho. No pagya no ho a ta ho kire ne beye more than. But there is somewhere se mo betumi agina. It is better. It is better. Say and they are mobile boa, no more solve that issue not done. Would they be on mobile worry? It will never help. But I don't know, Sebia. I want to reserve the next one for next week.
Maybe I'll try because of time, you know.
Yeah. And then I cannot, yes. It was but then a bear, you level never be this issue.
Right. Because like that, say, you'd be seeing Uncle Point next week, and so, Yatwas. Okay. Right. Now, Misha also. Okay, so that was Councillor Edwin Boahin and what's in Canon. Not just say, then it will be a suka crowd and my. Ekia, why were you nodding? Are they?
Councillor can't say. I can't say pint. Yes, so man, and some more kind at to say and see a betty near the boy a bra. And some they were coming.
I come every okay. Okay, now me person now would not be so we because we have a sort of papa buying tickets in the money. A friend Jenny will jump on what us was from Bruce money. I said that come and be DJ Shawu and another pan here, Mr. Billy. Your corner news at 12. And about 6 years, Friday. Hey, you ask the best is here.